What about internally? Who are the other kind of team members that you interface with to get a new client over the finish line? And then what kinds of roles within DHbase are typically involved post-purchase?
Yeah. So we have a massive team involved in terms of customer support. So taking care of the customer is, the top priority for us. So from the estimating teams, the bidding teams, to the project experts, they're making sure everything's going smoothly. You've got folks in the national accounts team that are reaching out, making sure everybody's in the loop, to the shipping teams, the warehousing teams. It depends on what product categories we're talking about, where it can really expand out to post construction. Then you're getting into the facilities teams, making sure that they're coordinating for preventative maintenance. Then you've got all the folks that support on the emergency services. So something breaks and they have to get a technician out there right away. These folks are working 24/7, 365. Someone's always on call, making sure that we can get folks out there and really be a true partner for these folks throughout the full life cycle of the data center.